Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 21st August 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, let us check out what transpired for Nifty today. Nifty opened with a slight positive bias and traded sideways to end the day flat with gains of only 0.08% or 201.15 points at 24,252. The flat close was due to elevated crude oil prices amid stalled US-Iran talks, steady rupee and elevated bond yields. The sectors traded mixed with metals, posting the biggest gains, while FMCG faced the biggest correction. Volatility for the index rose despite muted moves. Levels may be adjusted upwards due to a close above the initial resistance, with supports now being at 24,240, followed by 24,235, while resistances may be placed at 24,350, followed by 24,430. For Monday, the NSE index may be expected to continue trading sideways with a mild negative bias due to the weak external cues. Unless there is a sizable correction in crude oil prices as well as US bond yields, the index may be expected to remain range-bound. For updated expectations and levels, do check out our pre-market report on Monday morning, where we will take changes in the global markets over the weekend into consideration. Nifty may be expected to witness stronger positive momentum above 24,675, while a break below 23,830 could result in selling pressure intensifying further. Next, we proceed to check how Sensex fared. Sensex ended flat with gains of only approximately 3 points to close at approximately 77,541. Levels for Sensex may be kept the same, with supports remaining at 77,365 followed by 77,090, while resistances may be kept at 77,640 followed by 77,885. Sensex may be expected to be bullish above 78,080, while bearishness may dominate if the index falls below 76,190. Now, let us take a look at how crude oil has traded thus far. Crude oil prices opened flat but has been trading with a positive bias today. Stalled talks between the US and Iran over the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz have kept prices elevated with no respite in sight for now. Volatility at the energy counter rose today as compared to yesterday. Levels for crude oil may also be kept the same, with supports remaining at 8,270, followed by 8,200, while resistances may be placed at 8,350, followed by 8,450. Crude oil prices may be expected to keep consolidating within a range with a positive bias as supply concerns persist due to difficulty of movement of crude oil out of the Middle East. As alternate routes are explored at higher costs, the commodity may be expected to trickle upwards till it stabilizes while accounting for said costs. Traders may continue with a buy-the-dip approach with strict stop losses to account for adverse moves due to profit booking or positive updates from the West Asia conflict. Crude oil may be expected to witness buying momentum intensify above 8,450, while a break below 7,700 could send prices lower. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Shanthi Gears shares surged around 17% after Tube Investments of India acquired over 20.64 lakh shares for about 77.49 crore rupees. Following the acquisition, Tube Investments' stake in the company has increased to 73.16%. ICICI Bank shares traded higher after the bank's board approved plans to raise up to $5 billion through overseas borrowings. The funds can be raised through instruments including bonds, notes, and offshore certificates of deposit, giving the bank greater funding flexibility. Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles plans to increase prices of its cars and SUVs by up to 25,000 rupees from September. The company cited higher input and commodity costs, along with continued geopolitical uncertainty, as the key reasons behind the price hike. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted over the weekend. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Emil Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Increase Your Probability using Liquidity Round Number Patterns, Double Top and Double Bottom Strategy. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will be conducting a webinar on the topic Volatility-Based Options Trading Strategy using IV Rank, IV Percentile and Vega. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.